A beautiful morning filled the city with vibrant energy as golden sunlight brings every street to life. A sleek, shiny, compact crossover SUV waits confidently in the parking lot. When he opened the back trunks, he discovered true premium dashcams waiting inside. The DDPAI Z90 Master and the DDPAI Z60 Master were ready to compete for a spot in his car. Tajammul carefully opened the DDPAI Z60 Master box, revealing its sleek design and premium finish. One by one, the main unit, interior camera, and the rear camera are unveiled, showcasing everything included for a complete dash camera setup. The DDPAI Z60 Master is built with a carbon fiber pattern finish. The textured carbon fiber accent surrounds the front 4K camera lens housing, providing a premium matte textured appearance that helps reduce dashboard reflections while blending seamlessly with the modern car interiors. The DDPAI Z60 Master is powered by the advanced Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, delivering outstanding 4K video quality and exceptional performance in low light conditions. The gimbal thoroughly cleans the windshield before applying the electrostatic sticker for a secure, bubble-free installation. He then removes the 3M adhesive from the front camera, mounts it perfectly, and installs the 2K interior and 2K rear cameras with precision. The installation is completed successfully, giving the compact SUV a clean, professional-looking setup. To unlock even more smart features, it's time to install the 4G module with the Z60 Master, and you can check car's live location and watch a real-time view from anywhere, anytime. The Jumble starts the engine and heads out onto the busy city streets, ready to put both dash cams to the test. As the journey begins, the DDPAI Z90 Master and Z60 Master captures every turn, every detail, and the vibrant city traffic with stunning clarity. The DDPAI app seamlessly connects to the car's touchscreen, bringing a clean and intuitive interface right to the dashboard. With the Z60 Master linked instantly, smooth live footage streams in real time, making every drive smoother, easier, and more connected. As the Jumble cruises through the city at night, both the DDPAI Z90 Master and Z60 Master records every moment with smooth, crystal clear footage. From glowing green traffic lights to sharp, easy to read road signs in the distance, both dash cameras deliver outstanding clarity and impressive nighttime performance. The Jamal parks the car on a busy city street and walks away, while the dashcam automatically switching to parking surveillance mode. As people move around the vehicle, both cameras stay alert, continuously recording nearby activity to keep the car protected even when no one is inside. The moment parking surveillance is triggered, the Jumbo receives an instant alert through the DDPAI mobile app, keeping him connected wherever he is. With just a tap, he can access the live feed from all three cameras and monitor his parked car in real time with complete peace of mind. The Jumbo returns to the car and explores more smart features in the DDPAI mobile app, discovering real-time vehicle speed and live location tracking, watching the speed update smoothly in km per hour while the app accurately tracks the car's location. The Jumbo explores the DDPAI app to unlock the full potential of the front, interior and rear cameras. He fine-tunes the video quality, GPS settings and live view, customizing every feature for the best recording experience. As the Jumble cruises through busy city intersections, the DDPAI Z90 Master captures every scene with stunning detail, vibrant colors, and crystal clear footage from the front, interior, and rear cameras. Its sharp image quality makes road signs and surroundings stand out, while the Mini 3X interior camera, equipped with built-in infrared IR LEDs and an intelligent IR cut filter, delivers clear passenger footage even inside a dark cabin. Both DDPAI dash camera captures surrounding vehicles with impressive quality, making license plate easy to read during everyday driving. The Z90 Master takes it a step further, delivering sharp, detailed footage that can clearly capture license plate from longer distance and even at side angles, giving you extra confidence on every journey. The DDPAI Z60 Master also delivers impressive performance, capturing vehicle license plate clearly even from a distance during real-world driving. While the Z90 Master produces slightly sharper and more detailed plate images, the Z60 Master still provides clear, reliable footage that performs confidently on the road. Both the DDPAI Z90 Master and Z60 Master are powered by the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor with a bright f1.75 aperture, delivering exceptional image quality day and night. The gimbal connects the DDPAI Z90 Master to the car's touchscreen, instantly bringing the smart dashboard to life. The smooth, real-time live view looks incredibly responsive, giving him a clear, immersive view of every drive right from the car's display. A side-by-side comparison put both dashcam to the test as a speedy vehicle races through the scene, with all three cameras recording every angle in real time. The DDPAI Z90 Master delivers noticeably sharper and clear footage, while the connected Mini 3X interior camera provides crisp infrared IR monitoring, keeping the cabin clearly visible even in low light conditions. As night falls, both dashcams continue to perform impressively, capturing the road with confidence and clarity. The DDPAI Z90 Master delivers sharp, more detailed nighttime footage, while the Z60 Master's front 4K cameras stand out with richer, more vibrant colors, creating a vivid view of the road ahead. As the city lights come alive, both dashcams capture the night drive with impressive visibility and detail. The Z60 Master's front 4K camera produces a brighter, more vibrant night scene, while the Z90 Master delivers a softer image with slightly more visible grain under these lighting conditions. As the city grows quieter and the roads open up, both dashcam reveals their unique strength under the glow of the night. The DDPAI Z60 Master beautifully captures light trails with rich contrast and cinematic detail, while the Z90 Master delivers a brighter overall scene, through some fine highlights appear less defined in these conditions. After an exciting day on the road, the Jumble arrives home and parks the compact SUV safely in the parking lot. As soon as the vehicle is parked, both the DDPAI Z90 Master and Z60 Master automatically activates parking surveillance, while the Z90 Master stays connected through the 4G module, allowing the Jumble to access the live streaming and monitor his car anytime from anywhere. Both DDPAI dashcams perform exceptionally well, giving the Jumble confidence throughout every journey. As the Z90 Master parking surveillance mode activates, he can relax knowing his vehicle remains protected. The DDPAI dashcam stays alert, quietly watching over the car and recording everything that matters.